Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy's dedicated YouTube channel for general aptitude, general science as well as engineering mathematics, the Unacademy Ascend. So as promised to you all guys in the previous session, I'm again back with another session on the daily practice problems, this time with a new topic which is called as the pipes and cisterns part 1. Okay, so similar to all other quant topics, here also we will be actually doing three parts of pipes and cisterns, that is three parts of each topic with three problems on each topic, that is in three problems on each part. So you guys might have seen in the first part I took ratio and proportion, in the next part we went with mixture and allegations, in the next part we went with profit and loss, right? So if you see that properly here, I am not doing this by mistake or something. All these three are interrelated with each other, yes or no? Right, that is the reason you guys might find the problems to be repeated. The thing is all these three things are interrelated. अगर मैं इन सबको separate separate ways में लेता, then you guys wouldn't have got this difference. Okay, that's because I'm taking it in the same manner. You guys are finding it easy because all these three are interrelated. So the last one of us was time and work. So now I am taking up the pipes and cisterns, right? So time and work and pipes and cisterns, they are also nothing but interrelated with each other. So there are slight differences between the problems. Other than that, the working procedure is same for both of these quants. So you guys will see it in the questions when we solve, because they are nothing but interrelated with the time and work. So let's not waste much of the time. Let's move on to the question one here. There is a leak in the bottom of the tank. This leak can empty a full tank in 10 hours. When the tank is full, a tap is opened into the tank which intakes water at the rate of 8 liters per hour, and the tank is now emptied in 16 hours. What is the capacity of the tank? देयर इज अ लीक इन द बॉटम ऑफ द टैंक. एक टैंक है और टैंक के नीचे एक लीक है. लीक का मतलब है देयर इज अ बेसिकली होल विच इज एक्चुअली लेटिंग द वाटर कम आउट ऑफ द टैंक. दिस लीक कैन एम्प्टी द होल टैंक. अगर लीक है तो ऑब्वियसली ये बात है कि पूरा टैंक जो है वो खाली हो जाएगा. और दिस लीक कैन एम्प्टी द होल टैंक इन 10 hours. When the tank is full, a tap is opened into the tank which intakes water at the rate of 8 liter per hour. Okay, so when a tap is opened into the tank, the tap which is there, it fills the whole tank in 8 liters per hour capacity, and the tank is now emptied in 16 hours. So when the tank is full, right, the tap helps in filling the tank in 8 liters per hour, but because of this leak it can empty the whole tank in 16 hours, right? So what is the capacity of this tank? You have to find out, right? What is the capacity of this tank? You have to find out. The question may look very tricky here, but it is very easy to solve, right? You have four questions here. Let's solve the question. I'll explain it once more. There is a leak in the bottom of the tank, because of which it can empty the full tank in 10 hours. Okay, so when a tap is opened, it can fill up a whole tank in 8 liters per hour, and now this tank is emptied in 16 hours. So what is the capacity of the tank, right? So let us move on with the answer. So here is our answer or question. So let the tap fill the tank, right? Let the tap fill the tank in x hours, right? We do not know how many hours, so I will just substitute as x hours. This tank is filling the whole tank in x hours. So the rate of tank, right, the rate of tank or the speed of tank per hour, right? So this is x hours. वो x hours कितना है वो मुझे अब नहीं पता है, but per hour क्या होगा? 1 divided by x, right? 1 divided by x. So this is the rate of leak per hour, right? So rate of leak, right, rate of leak when the tap is open, right? So tell me the rate of leak when the tap is open, right? The rate of leak when the tap is open is 16, right? So I will write it as 1 by 16, right? The rate of leak when the tap is open is 1 by 16, right? So if you see properly the question, they have listed you three things, right? The leak can empty the tank in 10 hours. Okay, it is now emptied in 16 hours. So you have to find out the x, right? You have to find out the x. So we can easily write down the formula here. 1 by 10 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 16, right? So this 1 by 10 minus the rate of tank per hour will give you 1 by 16 as the answer, right? 1 by 10, that is the leak can empty the tank in 10 hours. 1 by x, the rate of tank per hour, and the rate of leak when the tank is open, 1 by 16. This is the final answer. 1 by 10 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 6. So I want to find out 1 by x. So 1 by x will be 1 by 10 minus 1 by 16. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 16. 10 and 16, the LCM will be 90. 10 and 16, the LCM will be 90. 1 by 10 into 99. 1 by 16 into 95. Right? 9 minus 4 by 90. Right? 9 minus 5 by 90, sorry. So 4 by 90. So rate of the leak when the tap is open is 1 by 16. You know that 1 by 10 is the rate of the tank, 1 by 10. So rate of tank per hour is 1 by x. Substituting all this in the equation, you'll get this as 4 by 90. 4 by 90. So what is 4 by 90? I can further simplify 4 by 90 as 2 divided by 25, right? I can further simply 2 divided by 45. 4 by 90, I can further divide it as 2 by 45. This can be further multiplied to 1 by 22.5, right? 1 by 22.5. So what is 1 by x here? What is 1 by x here? 1 by x is nothing but 1 divided by 22.5, right? 1 by x is 1 divided by 22.5. So what is the hours here? What is the hours? Hours, we substituted this as x. So if 1 by x is equal to 1 by 22.5, then x will be equivalent to 22.5 hours, right? X will be equivalent to 22.5 hours. What is the question they ask? The question they ask is what is the capacity of the tank, right? Capacity of the tank matlab kitna pani le sakta hai, right? So when the tap is opened, it intakes water at the rate of 8 liter per hour, right? It intakes water at the rate of 8 liter per hour. So 8 liter into x, right? 8 liter into x will give us our capacity. So let's do that now. X is 22.5. So 8 into 22.5. 8 into 22.5. So 8 into 20 is 160. So 8 into 22.5 is 180 hours, right? 180 liters, sorry, 180 liters. 8 into 22.5, we are measuring the capacity here. So 8 into 22.5 is 180 liters. Go back to the question. The answer is option C. Yes, it looked like a tricky question to us, okay, but it was just a 2-minute answer. 1 by x, 1 by 16. Substitute the question, we'll get the value of x, which is 22.5. It is filling at the rate of 8 liters. 8 into 22.5, which is 180 liters, right? Let's move on to the next question. 3 pipes X, Y, Z can fill a tank in 4 hours, which is of X, 12 hours, which is of Y, 20 hours, which is of Z. Y and Z are opened for 15 minutes, then X is also opened. The time taken by the 3 pipes together to fill the remaining part of the tank is dash. Okay, there are 3 pipes X, Y and Z. They can fill a tank in 4 hours, that is for X, 12 hours for Y and 20 hours for Z respectively. Y and Z are first opened, they are opened for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes X is opened. So now what is the time taken by the 3 pipes to fill the remaining part of the tank? Okay, so ये 15 minutes को हम भूल जाते हैं. What happens after the 15 minutes? That will be the remaining part of the tank that we have to find out. You have 4 options. Let's move on with the answer. Okay, so let us first write. Okay, so Y and Z, they are filling in how much? They are filling in 15 minutes. What is 15 minutes basically? When you convert 15 minutes into hour, this is nothing but 1 by 4 hour. Yes or no, right? When you convert 15 minutes into hour, this is nothing but 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4 hour is there, right? What is the efficiency of Y? Okay, so efficiency of X will be 1 by 4, efficiency of Y will be 1 by 12, efficiency of Z will be 1 by 20. तो Y plus Z लेना है मुझे, Y plus Z लेना है. So Y plus Z is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20, but this is for an hour, right? 1 by 12, 1 by x जो भी हम लेते हैं, this is for an hour, but we have to find for 1.5 hour, means 1 by 4 hour, sorry, 1 by 4 hour we have to find out. So let us multiply this with 1 by 4. Let us multiply this with 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. 12 and 20 का LCM क्या है? What is the LCM between 12 and 20? The LCM between 12 and 20 is 60. Right? The LCM between 12 and 20 is 60. 12 5s are 60. 23s are 60. So it is 1 by 4 into 8 by 60. Right? 1 by 4 into 8 by 60. 4 60s is 240. 8 divided by 240, which can further be simplified as 1 by 30, right? 8 ones are 8 3s are is 24, so 1 by 30. This is the value of Y plus Z. This is the value of Y plus Z, and this is the work they have done for 1 by 4 hours, that is for 15 minutes. This is the work done by Y plus Z in 15 minutes, right? So remaining work को कैसे calculate करूँ? So that is 1 minus 1 by 30, which is 29 by 30. 1 minus 1 by 30, which is 29 by 30. So this will be the remaining work, right? तो 1 by 30 का वर्क ऑलरेडी y प्लस z ने कर लिया है 15 मिनट में, तो अभी रिमेनिंग वर्क क्या है और उसको इन तीनों लोग कितने वक्त में कर सकते हैं वो अभी हम फाइंड आउट करने वाले हैं. रिमेनिंग वर्क इज 29 by 30. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट ऑल द थ्री. x plus y plus z, right? X plus y plus z. So x is 1 by 4, y is 1 by 12, and z is 1 by 20. So here also the LCM will be 60 itself, right? LCM will be 16 itself. 4 15s are 60, 12 5s are 60, 23s are 60. So this will be 23 divided by 60. That is the whole work of the people, right? This is the whole work of the people. So you guys can see this 23 by 60, it is actually the whole work, that is 1, right? Whole work. तो अभी कितना remaining work है? What is the remaining work? Remaining work is 29 by 30. तो 29 by 30 के लिए, okay, 23 by 60 is the whole work. So 29 by 30 के लिए कितना होगा? That we have to see, okay? Just cross multiply, right? Just cross multiply. So this is 29 by 30 into 60 bar 23, okay? So you are dividing both of them, right? You are dividing both of them. So 23 by 60, they are taking the whole amount of time or the whole time, right? So 29 by 30 के लिए वो कितना टाइम लेने वाले हैं, right? 29 by 30 के लिए कितना लेने वाले? So this is cross multiply. Okay, you multiply this with the whole work, you multiply this with, okay? So it is actually whole work is nothing but 1, okay? 1. So they take 23 by 60 for one full work. So half, what is the duration? We have to find out. 31s are, 32s are. So this will be basically 58 by 23, which is 2.512. Okay, so this will be basically 2 hours and 0.512 into 60. So this is 2 hours and 31.2 minutes. So approximately this can be written as 2 hours 31 minutes, right? 2 hours 31 minutes will be the time taken by all the three to finish off the remaining work of 29 by 30. Go back to the question. Option B is the right answer. Right? Option B is the right answer. Let's move on to the last question now. Let's move on to the last question. A tank can be filled by pipe X in 15 minutes and pipe Z in 75 minutes. At 2 p.m., the pipe X was opened. At what time will the tank be filled if pipe Z is opened at 2:05 p.m.? Okay, there are two pipes, pipe X and pipe Z. Pipe X can fill up the whole tank in just 15 minutes. Pipe Z can fill up the whole tank in 75 minutes. At 2 p.m., the pipe X was opened. So at what time will the tank be filled if pipe Z is opened after 5 minutes of opening of pipe X? Pipe X is at 2 p.m. So pipe Z will be opened at 2:05 p.m. Here are the four options. Let's move on to the answer here, right? So solution first thing, right? Solution first thing. So X is given as what? X is given as 15 minutes. So 15 minutes convert into hour. This is 1 by 4 hour. Okay. So Z is given as what? Z is given as 75 minutes, which is nothing but 60 plus 15 minutes. Okay, so this will be 1 by 4 hour. Yes or no? This is 1 by 4 hour. 1 hour 1 by 4 hour. So a mixed fraction hai, convert it into the normal fraction. We know this is 4 by 5 hours, right? 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, right? 5 by 4 hours. Sorry, not 4 by 5, 5 by 4 hours. I was going to write the same, right? 5 by 4 hours. So now I got their hour ratio, right? Now I got their hour ratio. Let me find out the rate of X in 1 hour, right? Rate of X in 1 hour will be 1 by 1 by 4, which is 4 itself, right? 1 by 1 by 4. And the rate of Y similarly in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 5 by 4, which is 4 by 5, right? 1 by 5 by 4, which is 4 by 5. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the rate of X plus Y in 1 hour, rate of X plus Y in 1 hour. So this will be 4 plus 4 by 5, right? So this will be actually 4 plus 4 by 5. So 4 by 1 plus 4 by 5. So the LCM will be 5 itself. 5 fours are 20 plus 4. So this will be 24 by 5. This is the work of x plus y for 1 hour, or the rate of x plus y for 1 hour. Okay, so just remember this 24 by 5. Now, when is the tap opened? The tap is opened at 2 p.m. Okay, and until 2:05 p.m. it is only x which is open, right? It is only x which is open, right? So what is the rate of x, or what is the speed of x? We saw it is 15 minutes, right? So for 15 minutes it fills up the whole one tank, right? For 15 minutes it fills up the whole one tank. So for 5 minutes, yes or no, right? 2 to 5 p.m. it is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes तक ये कितना करता है, right? 5 minutes तक ये कितना करता है? So let us substitute this as x. So you will get it as 15x equals 5, or x is equal to 15, sorry, x is equal to 5 divided by 15, which is 1 by 3, right? 5 divided by 15, which is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 part of the tank is already filled, so remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3, right? 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3, right? So if you go back here, 24 by 5 is done by them in 1 hour, right? But their efficiencies, if you can see here, their rates or speeds are given in minutes, right? So we will take this 1 hour as what? We will take this 1 hour as 60 minutes, right? We will take this 1 hour as 60 minutes. So let us write down the equation here. 24 divided by 5 is 60 minutes, right? 24 divided by 5 is 60 minutes. So 2 by 3 is equal to what? Right? 24 divided by 5 is 60 minutes. 2 by 3 is equal to what? So here you will get the answer as 60 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 24, right? 60 into 2 by 3, because ये दोनों divide होंगे. 2 by 3 divided by 24 by 5, so reciprocal हो जाएगा. 60 into 2 by 3 divided by 60 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 24. Sorry there, 60 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 24. So this is 2 ones are 2 12s are. You can take it out. Okay, you can do the same here also. So when you take this, this is basically 60 into 5 by 30. So this will be 50 by 3, right? So this will be 50 by 3, which is nothing but 8.33 minutes, or approximately 8 minutes, right? So 8 minutes after 2:05 p.m., right, the tank will be filled, right? So let us do the final calculation here. 2:05 plus 8, which is 2:13 p.m., right? 2:05 plus 8, which is 2:13 p.m. So at a timeline of 2:13 p.m., right, after using x for 5 minutes and the rest for 8 minutes, so it will take a total of 13 minutes from 2 o'clock to fill the whole tank. So the correct answer is option D, 2:13 p.m. So that's it with the class, guys. I hope you guys like the questions. So these are tricky questions and they do follow the relevance of the time and work. So in the next class we will see some more. Okay, in the next class we will see some more tricky questions on pipes and cisterns. Okay, so the next class will be pipes and cisterns part 2, and the other next class of that will be pipes and cisterns part 3, where we will see some more trickier questions on the topics pipes and cisterns. Thank you for listening throughout the session. I will see you all in the next session, which is the next daily practice problem. Till then, please do stay safe and don't forget to like and share the video, and also to subscribe our channel Unacademy Ascend. Thank you.